Welcome to part 2 of my test automation demo. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple test script written using the Python library PyTest, which is powered by the Selenium WebDriver. The PyTest framework is the most popular test framework available in Python. Test cases are written as functions, not classes, and test assertions are reported with pass or fail values. A WebDriver is a programmable interface made for interacting with web browsers. The Selenium WebDriver is what powers the bot, which will navigate the user interface and interact with page elements, thus executing the test script. The test script on the screen in front of you is fairly simple. The bot opens the Firefox web browser, navigates to the local host. Once it's on the landing page of the Planetary database web application I designed for this demonstration, it will wait for the navigation button for the star screen to become visible, and then click it. The bot will then look for the star entry named Sol in the table and assert a pass-fail result. As you can see, this was a very short test. Almost blink and you'll miss it. But we have a pass condition. Let me explain a little of what you see here. The class called tags contains XPath queries in the form of strings. Selenium has several options for defining element locators: IDs, CSS selectors, XPaths, and others. Locators will find all matching elements on a given page. As you can see, if we copy and paste this XPath into DevTools, we see the star page navigation button is highlighted. XPaths are one way that the bot can navigate a web application, but they're very brittle. They can easily change when an update is made to the UI. This fragility adds considerable overhead to automated UI testing. Functional UI tests need to be constantly maintained to conform to the user interface in order to remain useful. The WebDriver setup is handled using a fixture. A fixture is a function that runs before each test function to which it is applied. It is here that the Firefox driver is initialized. Next, we've defined a function called test_basic_landing_page. This is where the bulk of the test takes place. We call our browser and pass it the address of the local host. The bot will wait up to 10 seconds for the star page navigation button to become visible. We do this by calling WebDriver wait, and then we pass the XPath of the star page navigation button to the expected condition class. If the XPath is found, the bot clicks the button, navigating to the star screen. The results variable is a boolean. We find the star name element by passing its XPath to the by class, and if results are true, meaning the XPath value is valid, we get a true assertion. In the next video, I plan to demonstrate a slightly more complicated test in which we will add and delete a planet. I'll also be refactoring this code to make it more quote-unquote Pythonic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.